Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App. Your request for a sponsor account was not approved. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you are getting this notification, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the Cash App. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile at the top right corner. So let me tell you that because you have sent the request to your parents or your cousin for a sponsor account, if they decline that request, maybe that's why you are getting this notification. So how can you fix it guys? Just simply have to tap on family. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on M13. From here you have to put your first name and you have to put the second name. Then you have to tap on next, and here you have to put your date of birth. Okay guys, so after putting the date of birth guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on next. So for me guy, what you need to do is just simply have to select your sponsor and just simply have to send the request to other person. And after that, he has to accept your sponsor request and you can easily create the sponsor account. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.